guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Planner Kate haul. So this was supposed to be put up in February, and due to some life circumstances, I wasn't able to get it up. So this is going to be everything that I purchased in February. And so I've got two different orders to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is my April kits. So Planner Kate came out with her April kits at the end of February. No, sorry, at the end of January, and I bought my April kits. Wow. So, the first one that I purchased is kit 70, which is called Easter Flowers. So this is the full box, half box sheet. It's got the cute little bunny. And then I also purchased the Hourly Personal. And I loved this pink and the green and the blue, and it reminds me so much of spring. So that's the first kit that I purchased. The second kit that I purchased was called Easter Rainbow. So this is the full box, half box sheet. I just loved the carrots in this one. And then I also purchased this Hourly Sampler. And I just loved the eggs in the washi. And then I also purchased the add-on sidebar, or the sidebar add-on. And this is add-on O. And the reason that I did this was for the full box that said Happy Easter. I really wanted to be able to, so the reason I did this was I really wanted to be able to have it for Easter specifically. So I purchased that. Okay, so the second kit that I purchased is called Teal Purple, I think it's called. Oh, Purple and Teal. So I purchased the full box, half box sheet. And there's a cat. So this is the full box, half box sheet. And then I also purchased the Hourly Sampler. So that's that kit. And then my final kit is my monthly and my weekly. And I chose the April watercolor floral for my monthly. So I'll show you the first page. And I just loved the purple and the fact that the April was offset and not in the center. I just thought that that was so different than from Planner Kate's normal monthly kits. So I purchased this one. So this is page 1. And then here's page 2 with the days that are not in the month and the sidebar. And then I purchased the weekly kit as well. So here are the full box, half box sheets. And I just loved the stripes and the purple. It's just so beautiful. And then I also purchased the Hourly the Hourly Personal Sampler. And then I also purchased, and if you've seen my March monthly view, I used the mini icons in that month, and I really liked it. I liked how they fit in the appointment labels. So I purchased the mini icons for April as well for this kit. So that is my first order from Planner Kate. And since this order was placed so long ago, I already put away my my freebies. So then the second order that I purchased, I got a few sheets. She did I think it was a happy hour sticker sale or something like that. So these are the freebies that I got. So, of course, you get the Planner Kate name logo. I got some bill do's, some circle icons, some dots, some dark double dots, and then some appointment labels with the checkbox. So that was my samplers. And then I also purchased, and I've already used it, but I purchased the habit trackers for the month of April, May, and June. And so what this looks like is, I'll show you April's. I've already placed them in my planner. So this is what that sticker looks like, is that long habit tracker that's on the bottom of the note page. And I really have been enjoying this habit tracker. I didn't think I was going to end up using it like when I bought them in January, but I have used it every single month. And I just really enjoy tracking my habits on the bottom of this page. So, and then it also comes with some appointment labels. And then I also purchased some sick day script stickers. I also purchased some library script stickers. And then I also purchased this cute little deco sheet that she released. And in case you can't tell, that's a cat. I purchased this cute little deco sheet for spring. I'm excited to use this in decorating. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I post a video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.